Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be talking about jellyfish, jellyfish facts. I'm going to be talking about 3 types of jellyfish. I'm going to be talking about the moon jelly, sea wasp, and the man o' war. So I guess we're gonna learn about the jellies of the sea. I guess let's just start with the moon jellyfish. Its scientific name is Aurelia aurita, I think that's how you pronounce it. Phylum is Cnidaria, class is Scyphozoa, and family is Olmeridae. It is carnivorous. Its diet is planktons, crustaceans, tunicate, mollusks, young polychaetes, protozoans, fish eggs, larvae, rotifers, diatoms, and other small jellies. Its breeding seasons is spring and summer, and it's normally found in tropical waters. It's a very nice looking jellyfish too. Here's some pictures of it. This is the moon jelly. It's beautiful. Yeah. Some more of them. Yeah, well, they're very nice jellyfish, and as you know that I'm pretty sure they can sting, but it's not that painful. Here we have the sea wasp. Its class is Cubozoa, and scientific name is Chironix fleckeri. It's named after scientist Hugo Flecker, I think, or Fleckery. I don't really remember his name that well. And its order is Chirodrophia. I think Chiro comes from a Greek word. I forgot what the Greek word is, but it means hand in Greek. And I think next is like murder. I don't know. I don't remember it too well. They are found near northern Australia, New Guinea, Malaysia, Philippines, and Vietnam. Its maximum tentacle length is actually 10 feet, which is pretty impressive. It's 3 meters. Diet is small fish, pelagic invertebrates, prawns, swimming crabs, and common predators, sea turtles. I think I don't know if I said this in a previous video. I have literally the memory of a floor. But most sea turtles are kind of immune to jellyfish stings because they just have really thick skin. They're so thick that I also don't remember the name, but the stinging cells in the tentacles of the jellyfish cannot break through. Well, the stinging cells are actually like harpoons, I guess, kind of, that tiny little harpoons with venom inside of them. That's kind of what they are. Here's some pictures of the sea wasp. Oh yeah, and the sea wasp, sea wasp is a type of box jellyfish. It's actually numbered as, I think, the second most painful sting in the world. They are almost completely see-through. They're pretty hard to spot. Really nice looking too. And a cool thing about jellyfish is so they're like 99% water, 97 or 90 something percent water. And they have no brain, and I think they actually have no eyes. And they don't really have that many organs. They only have a stomach. Yes. It's actually pretty weird on how they can survive like that. I guess just evolution. They've been around since before the dinosaurs. They're a very old genus. And a very cool one too. Here's another picture of a sea wasp. It's kind of weird. It's kind of hard to actually make it properly good. Um, um, Also, when fish or some prey gets tangled in their tentacles, they of course sting them and stun them, and they pull them into their bell, which is this part that's the bell. They pull it into their bell, and that's where it's digested. Now the Portuguese man o' war. Yeah, I think you would probably know what it is. Its phylum is Cnidaria, of course, and the class is Hydrozoa, and scientific name Physalia physalis, and suborder Cystonectae. I still don't think I'm pronouncing this correctly. And their average tentacle length is 30 feet below the surface, which is pretty impressive. But what's even more impressive is that their maximum tentacle length is 165 feet below the surface. That is really long. That is about the height of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which is pretty nice. They are carnivorous, and their diet is small fish, crustaceans, and worms. Their lifespan is about 1 year. Sorry, I couldn't really find a lifespan for like other jellyfish. And yeah, here's some pictures of them. That's their tentacles. And the man-o-war floats on the top of the surface of water. Oh yeah, and a cool thing about the man-o-war is that they're actually a group. They're a colony of many different animals. Like they're multiple animals. It's just not one animal. It's multiple of them that have combined to form one organism. They cannot live without each other too. This is how it looks like. It's pretty nice. It's actually a really pretty looking jellyfish. I don't think it's really jellyfish, but it's related to jellyfish, but it's very pretty. I haven't really listed there. It was the mortal jellyfish. It's exactly what its name says. It's a jellyfish. The way it lives on forever is that it restarts its life cycle over and over again until it gets eaten at some point. But yeah, it's pretty cool. What it does, I think it's once it gets to the end of its life, or what should have been its life, it kind of I kind of forgot how it happens. I think the body just kind of just I don't know. I think kind of just rots away or something. That the actual body just like dissolves and then turns back into a polyp and then relives its life. It's pretty nice. Yeah. So I might actually end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye, I guess.